In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a subtask in Jira, a crucial task management skill for keeping your project workspace clean and organized. Whether you're tidying up redundant tasks or simply making room for new priorities, removing unnecessary subtasks is an essential practice. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can do this quickly and efficiently. First, we're going to start by navigating to your project within Jira. This step is vital because it ensures you're working in the right section of your workspace. Once you're in your desired project, you'll want to find the specific subtask that you intend to delete. A little tip here: if you're managing numerous subtasks, using Jira's search and filter features can streamline this process significantly, helping you locate your subtask without a fuss. Next, once you've pinpointed the subtask, click on Issues in the main menu. This step brings you into the zone where all the tasks and subtasks are listed. Here you'll gain access to relevant functions for each of your tasks, including the ability to edit, comment, or as we'll do shortly, delete existing entries. After selecting Issues, go ahead and click on the subtask in question to open its details panel. Upon opening, you should see a comprehensive overview of the subtask, including all its attached information such as comments, status updates, and attachments. This is your last chance to double check the subtask to ensure that it's indeed the one you wish to remove. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the detail view. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This icon is commonly known as the More Options menu and is your gateway to several functionalities, one of which is deleting the subtask. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Once the menu is visible, select the option labelled Delete. It's crucial to be cautious whenever using the delete function in any system. Deleting a subtask is permanent and cannot be undone, so always make sure you have verified all the relevant details before proceeding. Finally, Jira will prompt you to confirm the deletion. This confirmation step acts as an additional safeguard against accidental deletions. To finalize the process, simply click Delete once more. And there you have it, your subtask is now successfully removed from your project tracker. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your project's subtasks, ensuring a streamlined and clutter-free workspace. Regularly revisiting and updating your tasks and subtasks not only enhances productivity, but keeps your project goals clearly in focus. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Jira tips and tricks. Until next time, happy task managing.